So hello guys, are you looking on how you can create a YouTube channel this year? In this video I will show you step-by-step procedure and details on how you can create your YouTube channel using your Android phone. You know guys, some people think that it is only on desktop laptop computer that you can create a YouTube channel. No, you can use your phone to create a YouTube channel. So what you'll be needing for this procedure is your phone, your internet connection, and your YouTube app and your Gmail. You know, for YouTube app, many phones comes with YouTube app. That means they don't need to download it unless you want to upgrade it to the latest version. And also you need to have a YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio is also an app that gives you analytics of your content online, especially on YouTube. With these four major things that I listed: your phone, your internet connection, your Gmail account, and your YouTube app, you can able to create a YouTube channel at any time, at anywhere. So this video is of two steps. One is for those people that want to create a brand new channel entirely, that bought a new phone and wanted to create a brand new YouTube channel entirely. The second one are those people that already have YouTube channel and want to create another one specific for a content in a niche. So without any further ado, let's go to my phone so that I'll show you the details procedure. So guys, here on my phone screen, the first thing you have to do if it is your first time of opening YouTube channel is if the phone is brand new, is to go on your Play Store. Here on my Play Store, you download these apps. You download YouTube apps. If your phone does not have YouTube app, you download it. If it have, then you upgrade it. You see here, I already have a YouTube app. They say I should update my previous one that I have. And another app here is Studio, YouTube Studio. This is the app that I told you guys that it will show you the analytics of your content on YouTube. It's just the back end of your YouTube. Then if another one is Gmail, Google Gmail app. You download this app so that you use it to create a Gmail account, a mail account that you use to sign in. So guys, what next you will do now is to enter your Chrome browser. You can use Safari, you can use Phoenix, but Chrome browser, it is one that I recommend. You see here on Chrome browser, you type in youtube.com. youtube.com. Here on youtube.com, then what you do next, you click these three dots, this vertical dot, you change it to desktop site here. This desktop site means how you will view it also if you are using your laptop. Then on top of here, you see a place they say you should sign in. Okay, you click this sign in here. You input that email that you have already created. This is the email here. So now I've signed in my Google account into YouTube. What I will do here is, let me put it back again to desktop site. So you click this type on this top right corner where there's written, this O means the initial letter that I used to create my Google account. If I click this O here, it say I should create a channel. Here you click on create a channel, then input your channel. At default they have already input the channel listen, but if I don't want this what is written here to be the channel name, I can write what I want to name my channel. Example, if I'm into cooking, you can write Sumi Cooks, Sumi Chef. KINGSOMY Chef or Chef Sumi. You see the handle I've changed to Chef Sumi, and make sure you tick good, because if it does not tick good, it means that someone is already answering that handle name. So you change it to another thing so that it will tick good. You click create channel. It's now loading. So I've refreshed this page, and this is where it takes me to. This create means you want to create a video, that you have shoot a video and you want to create a video, but there is more to it at this initial time. You click on this customize channel. You see there, here it says welcome to YouTube Studio, and this customized channel will take you back to desktop YouTube Studio, and they have another one, app YouTube Studio if you are using phone. There's this one that I've told you people to download earlier. If you click here, if you want to use the desktop YouTube Studio, but now we will not use the desktop YouTube Studio, we will use the app own that I told you people to download earlier on. So let's go back to our app list, and this is the YouTube Studio here, YT Studio. This is initial YT Studio. You click on it. So you see here is the YouTube Studio app, and here I can able to edit my channel to my tests. There's a limitation here, but on YouTube desktop site using Chrome, there's no limitation. But here it is seamless to edit and customize your YouTube channel. You click on this icon, this circle icon, because my YouTube name is Chef Sumi. Yeah, that's why they take the initial letter C. You click on it. Although YouTube will want you to link your Gmail account into this YouTube Studio, here I've already linked it. But what you do in case they ask you to link it, you click on this switch account, or click on this cross icon on this account to link up that email account that we created before to this YouTube Studio. So what you do next is here now is click on this pencil icon. You click on it. You click here to add a picture. You have to edit a picture of yours, a good picture of yours. Let's go to gallery. Let me click here, and this is my picture. Let's click it. But you have to, if you are into cooking, you have to picture yourself in a cooking regalia attire. Then you write your description, your YouTube description. What is your YouTube channel is all about? I'm into cooking, and just talk more about your YouTube channel. After you have done it, you click back. Voila, you are done. So what they will require for you is to shoot those amazing and nice videos of yours, and then go back to main YouTube app. This is the main YouTube app. This one they read. Then, so after you have shoot your videos and edit it with CapCut. The CapCut is the app that I'm using to edit some of my videos. Let me show you the app here on Google Play Store. Where is my Google Play Store? Okay, CapCut is the best app that I'm using for editing. You see that I've already installed it. CapCut Video Editor is the best app. So after you have shoot your videos and edit it thoroughly with CapCut or any other video editor app, you can now come here and click this cross icon. If you click this icon, they say that do you want to post a short video or a normal video? A normal video is a video that is in a landscape and that is more over 3 minutes, but short is a video that is in a portrait that is below 3 minutes. Yes, that's the YouTube terms and condition now. So you click add. This ad is a place where you click to select the video that you have already shoot. If you click this is the video that I've already shoot. If I click on it and click next, so hello guys, are you looking and click done. After it has processed, you name your videos and the description and post it. So guys, here is So guys, and the step 2 that I've told you guys that I will show you, if you already have a existing YouTube channel and you want to create another channel specific for a purpose in a niche, specific for a niche. Example, like you want to create another content differently from the one that you are creating. What you do here is you go back to your Google Chrome app. Click here on this icon, on this right icon that will show your picture. This right icon here, you click it, you click on settings. After you have clicked on settings, you click on account. This is account. You see a place where there is written create a new account. You click here to create a new account. It will just get you back to that former way that I used to create. Just input your name and the name of the new channel you want and the handle. Then you click here to create a channel. That's it for those people that already have existing YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. My name is KINGSOMY. Until I see you in the next video, peace.